Aloha, my name is Kimberly and I live on a small sailboat in Hawaii. 2 months ago, I traveled to Závora, Mozambique to continue my preliminary investigatory work searching for hot spots of the humpback dolphin. Adventure, of course, is on the list of things to do while here in Závora. This time, I want to show you the infamous Zavora Rock Pool. First, we're going to check it out with my drone from air, have a peekaboo, and then go snorkeling. Come on, Blue, let's go. Up this stairway, if you will, is the little hidey hole where I'm gonna fly from. Absolutely beautiful day here in Závora. This, as far as I know, shade. It's a little hidey hut. Gosh, it's so beautiful. I don't know if Nikia and her team built it with Mar, but they do use it to look for humpback whales during humpback whale season, which is like maybe starts petering in July, August, September. Basically the opposite of Hawaii. So we'll fly from today. Before we fly, let's take a quick peekaboo at this abandoned dive center. Woo-wee, the conditions this morning are epic. Let's fly. This amazing rock pool is home to such amazing diverse species. Not only beautiful coral, beautiful fish, crazy diverse species of nudibranchs. It's one of the best places in the world to look for nudibranchs, if you can believe it. And it's right here in this magical Zavora Bay. I feel so lucky to explore it from the air and also to be able to get in and do some snorkeling. Oh man, I love snorkeling. Okie dokie, it's time to do some snorkeling. What we're looking at here are some local fishermen boats. Can you see how they're tied up to the dunes? These fishermen tie their boats up by the bow up to the dunes like that because the tidal pull here in Závora Bay is insane. This beach that you're looking at will be gone in high tide. Completely gone, up to those boats. We are here basically the tide is dropping. We'll go back to the rock. This is one of the tide pools. Oh, we got fishes. Ooh, we're almost to the rock pool. It's so cool to explore these seascapes that become like landscapes in the low tide. Just so beautiful and rad. is now, right now, which is the best time to leave.
Oh man, where's that darn balloon? Oh, there he is, waiting for me on the beach. Get alert. Oh, balloon. Next time, I'm going to talk about what is a humpback dolphin. Where do they live? How many do we think there are? Why are they important? And what current research efforts are in play?
Well, I never.